VP Constantino Chiwenga aiwa People's General panguva inoi ari kuzama nepanogona napo kufaita against zvegananda vari kuzama kutear off the constitution. Sanapera mashoko kubuda panguva ino kunyatsoonekwa kunzi the situation with the ruling party ZANU-PF it is now tense. Panguva iyo kuchionekwa kunzi mumapolitibhuro mavari kusangana umu aiwa mune kugeda kwemeno wakanyanyisa. Ndova subscribe like out on the bell icon. Team na BBC mudanyira chiti the succession battles in ZANU-PF. According to those who are in the ED's camp, no one challenged the bill. No one challenged the 2030 bill tabled by Ziyambi in the cabinet meeting chaired by Mnangagwa on Tuesday. It is reportedly said Vice President Chiwenga challenged the bill, telling President Mnangagwa that the amendments do not represent what they fought for during the liberation struggle. It must not be adopted. During the war of words, it is said that ED warned Chiwenga, telling him that he should remember who is the president. After the clash between the two, Chiwenga decided not to attend a ZANU-PF strategic seminar meeting of Politburo members on Wednesday. This didn't go well to ED, who then responded by warning leaders within ZANU-PF. The message was directed to Vice President Chiwenga, who seems not to agree with the 2030 agenda. Ndo warning yopiwa kuna Chiwenga achinzi anofana kuremember kuti president ndiani. Azvinomira mushe mune Zimbabwe panguva inoi vanhu vachiona kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga aiwa he might be fired anytime or anything can happen pavice president wake. Kuchionekwa kunzi right now we are seeing President Emmerson Mnangagwa is in Addis Ababa, but panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi VP Constantino Chiwenga is the first vice president. He decides to appoint the second vice president Kebo Muhadi to act as the president mutungamiri wenyika. Asi panyatsobuda pachena kuti vice president Constantino Chiwenga is being sidelined ende havachatomboonewi pamepo. At the same time kuri kuonekwa kunzi pane another Geza front, kuri kuonekwa Bombshell Geza today by 6 am kuri kunzi anga atosvika. Panguva ino nyatsobuda pachena kuti they are trying to avoid VP Constantino Chiwenga to win the battle. Penda comment section medu dzafungura eni matodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Don't subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.